Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use INK Content Editor AI tool. Here you can go and type INK Content Editor AI. This one is the tool INK for all. And here you can create a free account. Click here, start my free trial. And here you have multiple options to create your account. Click here, continue with Google. And now let me select my Google account. Allow access. Now let's click here, assistant. And then here let me type top 10 ways to make money online. Then scroll down and here you can use advanced options as well as click here AI Write. Now within few seconds you will get your content here. Here you can see content is ready. You can copy it by clicking copy all button. You can also watch the tutorial. If you have any confusion how to use this tool, scroll down. So if you want to generate more content, then you can upgrade your plan